Robotic guide dogs can avoid obstacles for themselves, but still miss hazards for the humans, such as bent branches and queuing barriers, motivating cross-view perception for safer guidance. In this work, we propose CoEgo, a cross-view robotic guide dog system that combines robot-centric ground-level sensing with human ego-centric perception to detect and avoid both robot-obstructing and human-specific hazards for safer navigation.